कर लिया ऑलमोस्ट 60 डिग्री, 200 मीटर में ये बिलो 40 डिग्री हो जाए. That means 20 degree you will lose when you go 50 meter to 200 meter. So that you need to understand that slope angle you cannot remain same. Gradually it will flatten out as you are going down. So तुम्हारा पीठ gradually नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है. So slope angle has to reduce overall slope. You cannot maintain the same slope. This is number one. You need to understand. Number two is as you are increasing safety factor, उसके बाद ज़्यादा change नहीं होता. See from 1.2 to 1.5, yeah. कुछ क्वेश्चन है? Hello? Okay. So what you are seeing is from 1.2 to 1.5, safety factor is not slope angle is not reducing that much. Meaning that it is more or less coming to a stable condition that इसका बाद तुम जितना भी safety factor use करो, increase करो, उतना तो angle maintain करना ही. So more or less you can see about 36 या 37 degree में maintain हो जाता है. So that is your basically you can say the ultimate fit angle. If you go even in the depth with safety factor 1.5, ultimate fit angle will be about 37 degree for this. Okay. If we are considering a planar joint condition, okay, this is the underlying thing here. Okay. Okay, that is this problem. Now I share the that one. This we so far discussed it. So far we have discussed the dry slope with a flat surface, okay, and a joint plane has cut h meter below, small h meter below, with a deep angle. Okay. Now I will ask you, you can draw this also in your home. You do if this one is little inclined, okay, with some delta. This is the most generic way of analyzing slope stability. That ये flat नहीं है, ये भी with an angle alpha है. The only change will be means your surface is now not here. Surface is like this. Okay, this red line is the surface. So if red line is the surface with an angle delta, now you have to calculate the area of this properly, and then rest everything remains the same. Everything remains the same. Okay, this is the most generic way of analyzing the slope stability. Okay, so I want you to derive a equation like this for this condition. Okay, so you will be able to do that, I hope. Okay, for dry condition, yes, we do first. Water condition we will see now. So this you derive and find a formula just like this. इसमें अभी डेल्टा शेल्टा सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Okay, ठीक है. Now we come to rock slope with single discontinuity, but it is basically the wet slope now. So we will now consider water. We could have considered directly here also water, but to make it little complicated, we consider there is a tension crack also behind. Now, can anybody tell me why this tension crack comes? What are this tension crack and why it forms the other side of the slope? Have you seen a slope, benches and all this stuff? Have you noticed some tension crack? कभी भी देखा या नहीं देखा टेंशन क्रैक? Nobody has seen a tension crack? कौन है? Yes, overall. Okay. See the tension crack. You think of a slope of height h, and you think of the material here. This material here, this is under compression or under tension? ये जगह में this material here is under tension or under compression? Yeah, near the crest, you know the toe of the slope and crest of the slope. So near the crest of the slope, basically this material are in tension. किसलिए हो रहा है? Because they are ready to fall. This is a free surface. So they have no restriction movement in this direction. And तुम जितना पीछे जा रहा हो, ये क्या हो रहा है? इसको पकड़ के रखो. If it is a continuous body, so you may think at least this top part of the slope is kind of a cantilever beam, okay, and it is kind of having its own weight, and since there is an angle, this weight can have a component in this direction, along this direction. So this, at least in the crest side of the slope, shows a tension. Shows tension. This material is under tension. But तुम जो जितना नीचे जाओगे, ये under compression हो जाएगा इधर. Now, this is one reason crack may form, because the displacement difference will be way different here, because there will be a huge gradient. This can move in this direction. This can move in this direction. Okay. So very high as compared to the movement in here. So just a minute, show you. What I am trying to say is, इसका movement in this direction is pretty high, and इधर का जो rock है, इसका movement is very low. So there is a huge gradient as far as, let's say, this x direction movement is concerned. Okay, that's why a tension is formed. Number two reason is, we are doing a lot of blasting here. At least in the mining condition, we are doing a lot of blasting. And that blasting also create, the waves, and they create vibration. And that exaggerate this, whatever the tension is already there, is exaggerate that, and as a result, the crack gradually forms in behind the slope. So tension crack is a reality in any slope. We can avoid. If you want to avoid it, we have to do some kind of artificial supporting. Okay, otherwise tension crack will form. Now these cracks are very dangerous because let's assume we have a discontinuous plane. इसका आवाज हो रहा है. Okay, I will stop. Okay, so it has a discontinuity plane, and this discontinuity plane.
How to decide at what distance from the crest the tension crack will form during?
No, we are not deciding. We just know there will be a tension crack. Why one? There will be series of tension crack. We are not deciding anything. What we are saying is, the definition here is, there is a tension crack somewhere here, and we have a discontinuity plane, and this discontinuity plane may also cut in the slope, at the slope also. Okay, it need not be either just दिखा गया है तो it is passing through toe, but it can be here also. So if it is here, then we will take this edge, this to the edge, okay, wherever it is cutting. And now what we are assuming is this discontinuity plane having a deep angle alpha has cut this tension crack. This is what we are assuming. So क्या हुआ, अभी geometry fix हो गया. The angle beta which we need to find out. Alpha is already known. This is the deep angle of that discontinuity plane. And there is a tension crack somewhere, and this has cut at Z depth. This is the depth at which it has cut. Now geometry is fixed. ये जो block है, this block is now ready to slip along that discontinuity. Okay, is that clear? इसका definition. Now as I am telling you, age could be this also. इधर से इधर तक. Okay, this can also be age. Okay, then this will be my block. So this will become angle alpha. Then this one will be angle alpha. And पूरा इधर से इधर तक will be angle beta. Okay. This is what is age. Then it is dipping at an angle alpha here. So this will be angle alpha. Okay. So you do not think that it's only can cut in the toe. It can cut anywhere. Okay, that is what I am trying to tell you here. Okay. So definition is clear. So if I can now say a discontinuity plane having a deep angle alpha has cut a tension crack at a depth Z. Okay, this is what is the definition of this geometry. Now, for the given pit height h, we have to find out the angle beta, which is safe, or for a safety factor of certain value, let's say 1.2 or 1. Okay, for that we have to find out this, whether it is safe or not safe. Okay. Now one more thing, I have to go up. Now we are here assuming that at any given point of time, let's say we are measuring the water on this tension crack, and we found the water height is zeta. Now for that particular ZW, we are going to calculate the safety factor. So the water is up to here, we have found out from the measurement that water level is up to ZW in the tension. Okay. Now, how many different ways this water can affect us? There are n number of ways, and this also may depend on the weather condition. Not only the let's say if this slope is in Canada, okay, in the winter time, this water will be frozen and it will become ice. Okay, and ice, we know it increases in volume. It will give different type of pressure to the slope. Okay, so many different combination, permutation we can do. Now let's assume this first wala, this slope, if I want to explain what it is. See, there is no tension crack, but they are saying this is the joint or the discontinuity plane and the water is here. Okay. Now we are seeing, since there is no tension crack, the water pressure here will be same as 0 or atmospheric pressure. And if we see the water is coming out from here, in many slopes, we see the water is coming out. Okay, that means the again atmospheric pressure, the water pressure here is 0. Okay, so now the question is, how does the water pressure varying inside? Idhar kaise vary kare? Okay. So one of the assumption is this pressure may be varying because this water is coming, it is flowing here, and idhar aane ke baad basically inside kisi ek jagah mein it is accumulating and giving the maximum pressure. Where is it located? We still do not know. And then since it is 0 again, then water pressure will again drops. So this becomes like this. These are the water pressure. मतलब ये normal होगा. So pressure. इधर ज़्यादा है, इधर कम है. It is like this. And then again, this is somewhere is the maximum value. And then this is again become 0. It is again becoming 0 like this. So this is how the water pressure is acting. Now let's say this is the ice condition. What happens? Or maybe the somewhere, you know, the water is inside but it is not coming out. ये किसी जगह में रुक गया at the end, but water is inside. So क्या होगा? The pressure will build up inside, and this is a very dangerous thing. Okay, this situation is extremely dangerous because pressure is not releasing; it is keeping inside, and as the water will gradually accumulate and it will start to push it. Okay, so these are the some condition. ये वाला, the third wala is what I have shown you. The one condition is there is some water pressure here, and then gradually again we are seeing here is 0. Okay, this is one of the most condition. Hamara either this one if tension crack is in the slope, but what I showed you is this. Our condition is this one, that there is a water pressure up to either dW diya hai, this is ZW up to some pressure, up to some level, and then we are seeing the water is coming out from. This is the most the maximum cases occurring in India, because we are not that much a cold country, so water will not become ice inside, and most of the cases we see water is coming out. If it is not happening, then some kind of this thing can also happen. This is very dangerous. This may happen in Himachal Pradesh, maybe, in winter condition. Okay, because उधर बहुत ठंडा होता है and maybe water may come ice. But most of this region, most of the region in south, if you are seeing water is coming out, okay, but there is a level here continuously charging, let's say during rainy season, and but water is still coming out, that means there is a channel, so through this discontinuity water is coming. So that means at point A the pressure will be 0, but here definitely pressure is not 0 because there is some water activity. This is the condition I am going to discuss. But any of this condition may happen. Maybe some other condition may also happen. We still do not know. But this is the most favorable in our region. So how does this water pressure will act? So what is the mechanics now? What is the force balancing mechanism? So I have a W which is acting vertically downward. Since there is a ZW here, there will be a pressure acting here, and the water pressure, as you know, it is basically rho GH. So the water pressure will be like this. Since the water is coming out from here, and in this point pressure will be same in all directions, so whatever this is pressure, the same pressure will be here also. And then we are actually assuming it's a linear decreasing nature, so the pressure will go down gradually to zero. So under this condition, we will write V is equals to half gamma W ZW square. Gamma W is the unit weight of water, which is 1000 kg per meter cube, or you can take 1 kilonewton per meter, 10 kilonewton per meter. Gamma, if you are going into kilonewton, it is 10 kilonewton per meter cube, and ZW square, this will be V, and here we will have, I think I missed the half, this one will also be the half. Okay. Correct. So this one will be half of this is not L, sorry, L, this is L. L is not this one. L का थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ. L is this is the length L. Okay. ये length along that. Okay. So ये हो गया U and ये हो गया V. This area basically into gamma W, that this L is this capital L will be H minus Z, that means this height by sine alpha will give me the gamma is the, let's say, the unit weight of rock. We will use this. Now here what we have considered, the water shifts linearly between the tension track and the two through the sliding plane. This is what is the assumption, and this is mostly the assumption in tropical countries like ours. Now what is the driving force then? Driving force will be W sine alpha, like this direction. I will show you in the next slide. W sine alpha plus V का एक रहेगा. V is also now contributing in the driving force. There will be one force like this, which is V cos alpha, and resisting force will be C into L. C is the cohesion along the joint plane into L, the length, and enter sigma n, or the normal force, now will be reduced because of this pore pressure. You will one pore pressure is this U, which is acting normal to this plane, minus V sine alpha. There will be another component in this direction into tan phi. So this is basically Morpholm equation in load form. So now we have to calculate the, that is what I showed, W sine alpha, W cos alpha, and V sine alpha, V cos alpha. and now we have to calculate this W, this is the weight. इसके लिए मैं एरिया निकाला, एरिया is the total this area minus this shaded portion, so this comes something like this. Okay, that is the area of that block. Now remember that if this cut at the surface, and if the tension crack is also on the surface of the slope, then you have to calculate the area accordingly. So area completely depend on the geometry. Where is the tension crack, and where is the joint, whether it is a toe joint or it is a slope joint, the joint has cut to the slope. Depending on that, you have to estimate the W, and for W ka liye the area. Now the area will be calculated for different geometry, different. Okay, this one do not apply in all cases. This is particularly true for this. Okay, so this is how we can write the W, gamma into A. This gamma is the unit weight of this one. Now SF is become resisting force, driving force, and I told you this is the driving force, this is the resisting force. Now W को replace करना है by this equation. W replace करके you can find the equation of cot beta similar like that. Is this, where A equals to this and B equals to this. Okay, there are some A and B. Now you can see this equation becomes the earlier equation if there is no water. Okay, if there is no water, Z doesn't exist. So A become B cot alpha, and you can see इसको divide कर दोगे तो ये cot alpha आ जाएगा. This entire thing divided by this will become cot alpha, and then if there is no water, U is not there, V is not there, enter this to 0, then minus CL by this part. You see that? Cot alpha minus this, ये basically हमारा वो equation आ जाता है. This equation, cot alpha minus this enter. Okay. So this is now with water. The equation is with water. Okay. So this become A equals to this and B. Now this is a little bigger equation, but it's very one can derive very easily. Now similar like before, we can estimate the cot beta and calculate some slope chart. This is some different data for different water conditions. So you can see the slope chart is more or less same. Okay. And similar way we prepare the slope chart for difference pattern. Okay. Now, what are the important things here you must learn here? One is the cohesion and friction angle of the joint is extremely important of calculating the circuit. Okay, this is, I will tell you a little bit about this. The next is water condition. As you are seeing the water condition and what form of water pressure we are going to assume, that is also important, and this depends on the place, location, where is the slope, what is the climatic condition of that area. When you do the analysis, those kind of things you have to keep in mind. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही फॉर्मूला सब जगह में लगा दिया, ओके, वो शायद फिट नहीं करेगा. Okay. Number 3 is lateritic material. This I am mentioning you the one of the reason is because if there is a lateritic material inside the joint or inside the discontinuity plane, this creates huge cohesion, and that's good for us in a dry condition. But this may not be so good when the water is flowing. This lateritic material may wash out, and when they will wash out through this water inrush, then the cohesion, especially the cohesion, will reduce very drastically. We do not have any data or anything kitna reduce hota hai, kitna, but it will do. So what will happen? This equation will become even worse if C reduces. Okay, if further C goes down, ऐसे ही तो you can see U and V has increased tremendously, and उसका ऊपर C भी reduce हो जाएगा, then we will be this beta will fall very drastically. And another is tension crack, as you are seeing. If there is tension crack, then it will have a tremendous effect on the slope stability. So one of the reason is I normally recommend जितना tension crack है, आप थोड़ा सा overburden material या मिट्टी लेके उसको पहले भरिए. You first fix those tension cracks so that water doesn't get into that. जितना भी अच्छा से भर सकता है तो भर दीजिए. So tension crack we must reduce. Okay. Now, before I go to the meaning of this cohesion and friction angle and how it has effect, let me give you an idea of the effect of water. कि इसमें मैं लिखा हूँ resisting force by driving force. Now, if I just write it, resisting force by driving force, see this resisting force by driving force. So numerator में resisting force है. You are seeing this. The safety factor is equal to resisting force by driving force. Now you check what is resisting. So in the resisting force, you are seeing if water is present, both U and V will be present. Now if both U and V are there, what it is doing is it is reducing the normal load, the effect of normal load. So it has reduced. So इसमें value आ जाएगा मतलब RF has reduced. So RF has gone down. And you see in the denominator there is V. So V has increased. So if water exists, this RF goes down and this DF increases. So what happened to safety factor? It drastically falls, right? Numerator decreasing, denominator increasing. So you can now see why water and how does the water affect in this slope stability. And that's why either during rainy season or right after rainy season, the majority of the slope failure occurs. Okay. You will see the major slope failure occurs in October, November, or in September. These are the 3 months. Okay, and sometime including December also is the major failure of slope happens. Those are the months. Okay, now I come to the cohesion and friction angle. Now, how do I find cohesion and friction angle of the discontinuity plane? Can you give any idea? कैसे निकालेंगे? How we can find out cohesion and friction angle of the joint angle which exists in the field of the joint which is existing in the field.
Direct shear test, sir?
डायरेक्ट शेयर उसका साइज कितना होता है जो हम लोग टेस्ट करते हैं सैंपल का साइज
तो मोल्ड के साइज पे डिपेंड करेगा सर.
हाँ कितना होगा साइज लैब में जो हम टेस्ट करेंगे कितना साइज मैम एक जॉइंट तुम 1 मीटर बाय 1 मीटर बना सकते हो और उधर से काट के लेके आ सकते हो क्या देन वी डू नॉट हैव द टेस्टिंग मशीन वी हैव द टेस्टिंग मशीन टू टेस्ट फॉर 10 सेंटीमीटर वी हैव मैक्सिमम 30 सेंटीमीटर 0.3 मीटर okay now what is the size of the joint in the field that joint plane this will be in meter मैं वो जो प्रॉब्लम तुम लोग को अभी करके दिखाया let me give you some idea the L का लेंथ है when H is 50 meter that was 87 meter and when it was 200 meter it was 348 meter so now you can understand so now you can understand that if it is a some joint is about 300 meter इसको टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे 3 and 5 so very difficult question to answer and there is no answer let me tell you that and that's why you know the Barton he told okay JCS निकाल सकते हो by that Smith hammer then friction angle from JRC if we can find out the profile that is the reason why many people are still iska piche laga hua hai how to find out the cohesion and friction angle of the joint which exist in the field so there is no easy answer we do some approximation based on the laboratory test of the smaller size joint surface replicating more or less similar roughness and all this and then udhar se kuch idea karte hain but there is no clear cut answer for this so this you always need to know that this C and phi play a very important role very sensitive C का value even if you change from 30 kilopascal to 35 kilopascal the slope which was showing safety factor below 1 it will show above 1 just 5 kilopascal इधर से उधर कर दिया so there is a caution when we use this values because these values are properly not known formula तो ठीक है but उसमें proper value डालना is more important okay इसमें जैसा है slope deep angle alpha is no problem safety factor user is giving us density of rock also we will be able to get no issue the only problem is this C and phi okay this I am repeating it so that you understand that equation अपना जगह में है कितना वैल्यू देना है वो अपना जगह में है that you have to take a proper care. Number 2 is the controlling factor like water. Water management is a very important thing in slope stability and we need to do proper drainage system. You will see in many slopes there is lot of drains they make so that they guide the water from one place to another place properly. this is very important. Water management. You are seeing how the water will affect. तो उसका मैनेजमेंट करना बहुत जरूरी है. Like I told you, some mines in Goa, if they do not do proper water management, oh, they cannot run that mine. Oh. Okay. Proper dimension of bench and height हो गया. एक बम हम लोग छोड़ते हैं. Even keep it. जैसे 4-5 बेंच करने के बाद एक बड़ा बेंच रख दो. इसको हम लोग we normally use it for RAM, that movement of the vehicle. So this should be done every 6-7 benches we should make, and if necessary retaining wall and bolting it to be done. Tomorrow I will just give you a glimpse of bolting. जब मैंने इसको complete नहीं किया, but I can just show. Formula I will write properly, but let me just show you what the bolting does. When you will add a bolt, okay, then this bolt is going to give a pressure in this direction or a force in this direction, which have two components. One will be along this, and another will be against this drive. Means one will be in this direction, in this direction, and another is in perpendicular. तो ये एक तरह से सिग्मा एन इंक्रीज करता है, एंड दूसरा तरह से जो स्लाइडिंग फोर्स है उसको रोकता है. So the bolt does these two things. Tomorrow I am going to do this, and then I will also give you one problem. You can solve it in your so that will complete the there is one thing left is the dynamic condition, but you can leave it for this class. जिधर अर्थक्वेक है उधर कैसे हम लोग हिसाब करते हैं इसका. So the bolting is very crucial. We do for civil slope like roadway slopes and many other slope, embankment, इधर bolt लगाते हैं. Sometime in a dam condition also we put bolt. Those are basically will become permanent. Those bolting is more or less mandatory. In mining conditions, since slope get changed in every day because of blasting, in an active slope we do not do bolting. But when it become a high wall, that means no more mining will be done, and this is the ultimate pit slope. In that case, we do bolting. We recommend bolting because that slope will not be inspected or surveyed for many years. So you better make bolting and make it kind of permanent slope. Okay, so bolting does apply in mining condition also. In civil sector, bolting is must. They have to. Retaining wall will be must in many cases. हमारा केस में वो डंप में रिटर्निंग वॉल होता है मोस्टली. When we will talk about that, so that time we will know about the retaining wall. So this is what is more or less we do calculate for single joint or single discontinuity plate. Now इसका ही extension है multi surface or wedge type of thing, but this is not in your syllabus. We run a slope stability, especially a elective subject. To take that, they will tell more about this. ठीक है, आज मैं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं कल आई विल गिव यू अ प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व इन योर होम. ओके, so everybody is fine. अभी तक सेफ? हेलो, लोग खाना खा लिया क्या? अभी जाना है? अभी जाना है, ठीक है, विल मीट अगेन टुमारो।